Okay, I will show you the how to use the Conrad. The one that I show you, the scanning from the GRD Tech. After you save the data, you can analyze it afterwards. So I'll show you that for the next time. For now, I'll show you just a rapid how to use every software. So secondly, I will show you the how to use the Conrad. This the Conrad software. So before you use the Conrad software, you make sure the previous software you use is already closed. So you just make sure the Bluetooth is on. Then you click the connection. So it will try to connect. So it's already connected. Make sure the permission is on. Bluetooth is okay. So license. Okay. No problem, it's already configured. So the connection already connected. Tap to scan. No need because already it's a Bluetooth. It's already connected. So you need you can go from live scan or you can choose from 3D ground scan. For the live scan, just click this one. So you choose pinpoint. It's useful for the wall, but you need to make this the tip of the rod is close to the wall. So for the calibration, you go south. You position from the south. So you like that. Position it like that. Calibration. So sorry. You press the top button, then calibrate. You press the top. Don't release this one. So you don't need, you must not release this one if you are in a live scan. So you see, because but if you we get here, you come here. So as you can see, sorry, it's very dim. I need to adjust the brightness. Okay. Okay, we scan the wall. See? Scan the wall. It's sensing void. The other side is metallic. So, it's sensing the void. You see? But it must be positioned like that because this is for the almost good for the walling. See? If it twists on the other side, it's metallic. So you can release this now if you go back. Okay. Yeah, there. Calibration. So you don't need to use this because the same use. So you just need to click the pinpoint. If you want to scan, you can go here from 3D ground scan. You see manual, automatic. We can use automatic. From left to right, then the scan pattern zigzag or parallel with 10 lines, 10 step, something like that. We adjust. Only 5 step. And okay, start. So you press. No, it's automatic. Okay, sorry. We are in the manual mode. See? Then go. Then you finish, you can save. Save. To analyze the file, you can change the name. You can save. So afterwards, you can click one, the one you want to analyze. Something like that. You can view it in 3D. See? And if you want to return, you can choose from type of mineral you scan. Concrete, silt, sand, clay, it's up to you. So, this one, the numerical value, so, you can analyze the numerical value. The deviation indicates anomaly in the particular grade. If it's the change in numbers nearby is very high, that's indication there's anomaly. Maybe. So, return. So, you see, choose neutral. Grid. You can play with the numbers, you can play it, so you can, you see, 523. So this anomaly here, very high. 5,230. The one nearby, the soil, green, 1,355. It's an indication of metallic, very high metallic value. You see? And this is void. You see void? And the space occupied by the metallic, this can be mirrored here or nearby. So the metallic also needs space if it's under the soil. As you can see, this is it cannot be in a one place, the space. The blue is the space, the light one. So I'll teach you later. I just showing this fast review of the button. So you can play with it. So if you have any question, I'll show another video. I will give you another video. Okay? So the last one, you go out from this software. You go out. Make sure it close before you go from another software. So we go to the 3D ground. Tapos na ba natin to? 3D ground. Yeah, it has live scan also. You just as you will see, it's blinking, it's trying to connect. So like that. You press. You wait. We wait. So okay, I forgot this one. I need to review this one. Okay, maybe I need to review other features. I forgot. Okay, it has also live scan and 3D ground scan. It's in the 3D ground monitoring. Each software has its own scan. So this one's very powerful already. You can scan the wall. Okay, you can live scan and you can scan. And then save it, analyze it later. Okay nila? Maybe in the future I'll show you another video so you can grasp the idea of how to use this one. So even you have a good equipment, it's what's most important is the how you use this one, how you practice, because if this, even though you have a very expensive equipment, if you cannot use it properly, it's useless. So you need to practice. So it's the analyzation, the technique of how to scan. So you need to practice to master this one. So you see, it's in one rod, it has 3 software. and also OKM. It also has OKM. Okay?